Hey guys, if you're wondering what am I doing with this spoon, I'm going to show you a really cool hack, a really cool eyeshadow hack using this spoon. So let's start. So I'm going to take this spoon, place it onto my eyelid and just place the eyeshadow here. So for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty eyeshadow. So this is the shade that I'll be using today. Now I'm going to take my spoon, place it onto my eyelid like this and take my brush and just apply the color. So once I'm done that, I'm going to take the same spoon, place it here and then apply the color. So now you can see this really cool hack. I'm going to use my mascara, which is from Benefit, and this will just complete the look. So guys, this is my complete look. It's more like that graphite eyeliner look, or you can try it with different colors. Maybe you can try like purple or red or something. It'll look really cool. So if you're a beginner and if you want to try something really cool, y'all can definitely do this. For people who are like professionals and all, this must be like a fun hack that y'all could try. Let me know in the comments if you like this look or no, and you can ask me any questions, anything in the comments. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, and like this video please. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.